Yan ang hindi.
1, 2, 3, go. Volunteers free. My troubles and my worries are sometimes all that I can see. Still I always must remember, life's not only about me. Other souls are also hurting, and I know that it's God's plan to reach out to help another, to extend them my hand. Within the purpose of my focus, all my troubles and my worries seem to fade out in the end. It is on God's true lessons how my work is meant to be. True happiness I find when life's not only about me. The end.